This is Kelly, and I'm here with this Lucio shawl pattern by Kyle Kennick, and it features this nice pattern on here, and it's done by interlocking every stitch, and I'll show you how to interlock these stitches. So it's kind of a combination between intarsia and Fair Isle, and if you look at the back, it is a woven fabric that you get on the back. There's no floats here. So that's pretty cool. So I'll show you how to do this. So I'm going to show you the purl side first, and you'll be able to see another video on how to work it on the knit side. So I've knit 5 stitches because it's garter stitch on the edge, and then I took my old color and put it over to the left hand side, and then I pick up this new color and I insert my needle and I purl it. And then if you look at these two, they're interlocked. So now I'm going to be doing the blue color again, and I will put that up above. 1 second here, and interlock that. And then I'm going to be doing the brown color next. So the old color always goes up and to the left, and then I would go ahead and insert my needle to purl, and I have the old color up above, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it down below, and then I'm going to be working another stitch here. Now this is blue yarn, so I'm going to be using the blue color now, so the old color now becomes the brown color, and I would go ahead and insert my needle and put that under, and then insert the needle again to purl and have it below. And now I am going to be working with the brown yarn, so my old color is now going to be the blue yarn. And then I would put it up above in between the two needles and go ahead and work that stitch in a purl, and then go down below and work it in a purl. And this is how you interlock your floats every stitch, so you get that nice woven fabric on the back, and on the front the work actually lays much flatter than regular Fair Isle, where you have the long floats across the back. There's almost no blocking that's needed. It's just super flat and nice. So give this a try and see how you like it.